What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. It's leather time for my iPhone. Right, so Mujo makes this case here, and they have been some of my favorite cases of all time. They are just super high quality. Even the packaging is really nice. Now, I picked this up because this one is kind of special in that it is a new colorway for Mujo, and it's a beautiful, beautiful case. Dude, this leather smells so nice. If you have ever gone to like a nice leather shop or nice shoe store and smelled it, you know, when you walked in, this is what this smells like. So many of the leather cases have no smell at all because of the way they're finished, but this is absolutely intoxicating. Now, this one actually has a little card pocket, so you can put a credit card that you use a lot, maybe your company ID or whatever. You can have something right at the ready, right on top, and you can see how that is stitched on there. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a nice angle cut right there, and then stitched all the way around with Mujo embossed in the bottom there. And then it's just a beautiful leather case with molded in buttons. You know, they're stamped out there. You got a cutout here for the mute switch. You can see that the bottom is open, but then it goes all the way around, and you get just a beautiful, beautiful leather finish. Even the edge here is kind of compressed and stamped around. We have a microfiber inside there, and it's just a really beautiful green. I don't even know what I would kind of call it. I won't call it completely like an olive drab, but it's kind of that way. Now, that's great because my iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think that's right, I also got it in the green because this was a new color, and I thought those would look great with the little green camera peeking out there. So let's just go ahead and push this sucker in. It's really hard to install. You just press the phone in. Not hard to install at all. Total sarcasm. But look at that. I love the green camera housing now. Matches this green case right there, and that is absolutely fantastic, and I can just throw this on here. Now, I will say, if you have a credit card or a company ID or an ID badge or a pass card or something like that, if you're using wireless charging, put this on a wireless charging stand, don't leave the card in there. I did that with my KeyPass for work, and it demagnetized it for probably obvious reasons, but and it might not for you, but for whatever reason for me, I took this out. Now, if you're just using business cards in there, you don't have to worry about it. This thing still works on a charging stand, but look at that, just beautiful. You get a little bit of a lip right there, so you get a little bit of screen protection. And do the buttons work? Yes, absolutely. If I hit them just like this, on and off, so no problems there. I can still get to the mute and the volume switch right there, but more importantly, look at that. And then I don't have to worry about busting up that camera if I put this down on something, you know, kind of drop it on the table. They provide great protection, and man, that just feels good in my hand. Yeah. Oh, silky and smooth. So hey, if you want to pick up this Mujo, you know, probably the highest quality leather cases for iPhones, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.